everybody, and welcome to another exciting episode of Mmmm. My name is Daddy.
And I'm Lemon.
And today, we're going to make lemon cupcakes. Ooh! Lemon cupcakes. Ooh! Lemon cupcakes. Ooh! Hey! Okay. Lemon cupcakes. Woo! Lemon cupcakes.
Big cupcake.
Put those up, you got them. Bob's red meal flour. Thanks, Bob. Go, sir! Girl! Let me! Put it in! Put that one in. Yes! Sweet, 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 sweet. Lemon!
No.
I can't see. I can't see. I can't see. Where am I at?
No, it's just snow. See?
It's just snow? Okay, we need a lemon zest. Alright? Check it out. So you can't be crazy with this, alright? Because touch it just a little bit, real gentle. See, that'll hurt you. Okay, so you gotta take it and just rub the lemon on it like that. Okay? Zestfully clean. Zestfully clean. Good. Okay, stop! 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 Oh, man, that's a lot of salt in there. Go, wait! Hold on! You have to sing songs while we're waiting.
Twinkle, twinkle, little chicken.
Chicken? Okay, put it in there. Good job. Good job.
How do you mix this all this butter?
Okay, mix that butter up. Ooh, girl, you know how to mix that? Ah! I don't want that on me. Okay, put it right in here. Put it right in there. Yes, sir! Slow! Good, good. Oh, you got it, you got it. Okay, lift it up and dump it in. Pour it in, pour it in. She's so strong. Oh my God. Come on, do it, Lemon. Use those muscles. Okay, you guys are gonna pour it in. Hold it tight. Ooh. Hey, hey! Hold it out, hold it out, hold it underneath me. There you go.
It is good sugar.
That's good sugar? Okay, pour that. Hey, no! Don't wheeze the sugar! Good job, Lemon. Good, you got it. Good, good. Now pull it open. Put it in the bowl, put it in the bowl! Okay, open it over the bowl, over the bowl. She's got it, she's got it! Nice, girl! That was a proper A-crust. Go slow. Good. I don't even know why I gotta be here anymore. She's doing so well. You're doing so good. I'm so proud of you. Pour it. Go slow. Go slow. Nice. Nice. Good job, babe.
Okay.
Mmm, that looks delicious. Mmm, that looks nutritious. Mmm, that looks nice. Oh!
It's cake, it's cake, it's cake. It's cake, it's cake, it's cake.
Oh, girl. Look at her. You seen this? We are the champions, my friends. And we are all mixing with lemon. We are the champions. There. I can live with that. We're getting better, huh? Okay. Hey, what are you doing? What are you doing? Get back over here. We're all done. You gotta make the cupcakes. Girl, get over here. Hey, Lemon. Hey, look, we got Halloween cupcakes for Valentine's. Oh, it's gonna be a spooky Valentine's Day. Woo! Things are getting freaky. I'm a spooky Valentine. Things are getting funky, and I want you to be mine. Listen, kid. What you need to do is you need to go out. You need to get your mom. You need to Lemon! Unnecessary. I'm trying to tell the kids to go and talk to their moms on Valentine's Day. Lemon, who's your Valentine gonna be? Hey, hey. No. Mommy's your Valentine? Oh man, she's gonna love that. What about me? Hey! Girl! Alright, look, Lemon, you did it. Awesome. All done. Are we finished? Okay.
Let's put them in the oven.
Okay, we gotta start the oven up though, okay? Your little feeties. Okay, okay. Hang on.